My name is Jose Arturo. I am an electrical engineer, and I want to show us how the way that you can to get internet. So, way community that is stay away from your point of the where you have your ISP, and well, you can see two ways to get the internet to the other places. First, we're gonna share the dish that dish. There we will connect it your router. In this case, is a router of MikroTik, and you need to get out the power here, and the augmentation in the dish is about by PoE, power over Ethernet. That is to that have a connection there, and that will be a link with other dish like this that is needed to align something like this, and in between you needed to get space from there, because if you don't have a direct line like a laser, you don't have connection anyway. Well, right now here is a dish of Starlink that is connected by satellite, and you only needed to open the application of them and looking for your device, adding your pay method, and that's the way that it can use to obtain internet within. That will become with this router, and with that router you only can to connect by Wi-Fi, but you needed to realize a link connection that's necessary to buy other device, and you can to add in a link connection or you Starlink internet. Well, here it is. You have two ways to connect in to bring internet to the place where when your ISP don't have work and you don't the internet at your clients or your community, in your friends, or maybe for taking a photo there, and you can to sharing with your friends and social media, whatever that you to get off the information. Well, there is something that you can notice in those different ways to connect. If you gonna realize a link, you needed a tower. That tower can be the possibility that your dishes can see it, because you needed to align it front and have space when the microwave transporting the data. Only that you can to consider when you realize when you offer your client or customer that's of both solutions, that's you consider it. Follow me if you needed to learn more about telecommunication and networking.